Renting in Austria can be an exciting new chapter, filled with new experiences and opportunities. But before you sign that lease agreement, there's one crucial piece of information you absolutely need to understand: renter's insurance. This isn't just another bureaucratic hurdle, it's an essential safeguard for your peace of mind and financial security in your new home. Many expats overlook the importance of renter's insurance, or they simply aren't aware of its necessity in the Austrian rental market. Yet, understanding what it covers and why it matters can save you from significant financial stress down the line. This guide will walk you through the core aspects of renter's insurance in Austria, explaining exactly what it protects and how it benefits you. We'll delve into the two primary types of insurance that are vital for any renter here: household insurance, known as Haushaltsversicherung, and liability insurance, or Haftpflicht. Knowing the difference and what each covers is key to protecting your belongings, your deposit, and yourself from unexpected costs. By the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of why renter's insurance is not just a good idea, but a fundamental part of responsible renting in Austria. When you move into a new apartment, you bring your life with you. Your furniture, electronics, clothes, and personal treasures all make a house a home. This is where household insurance, or Haushaltsversicherung, becomes your primary line of defense. It is the backbone of your protection as a renter in Austria, specifically designed to safeguard your personal belongings within your rented property. Haushaltsversicherung covers a wide array of items that belong to you, the tenant. This includes everything from your sofa and dining table to your television, laptop, and smartphone. Even your clothing, jewelry, and other personal effects are typically covered under this policy. Essentially, if it's something you own and it's inside your apartment, it falls under the scope of your household insurance. This type of policy protects your possessions against a variety of common perils. For instance, if your apartment is unfortunately subjected to a break-in, Haushaltsversicherung will cover the cost of stolen items. It provides a financial safety net, ensuring you can replace your valuables without incurring a massive personal loss. Fire damage is another significant risk that Haushaltsversicherung addresses. Should a fire occur in your apartment, whether due to an electrical fault or another incident, your policy would cover the damage to your personal property. This includes the cost of repairing or replacing items destroyed by the fire, offering crucial support during a devastating event. Water damage is also a common concern for renters, and Haushaltsversicherung offers protection here too. Imagine a burst pipe in your apartment or an overflowing washing machine that floods your living space. Your household insurance would cover the damage to your furniture, electronics, and other belongings caused by the water. This coverage is invaluable, as water damage can be extensive and incredibly costly to rectify. Beyond these common scenarios, Haushaltsversicherung often extends to cover damage from natural disasters like storms, hail, or even landslides, depending on the specific policy. It acts as a comprehensive financial safety net, ensuring that a sudden, unforeseen event doesn't lead to a complete financial catastrophe for you. Without it, replacing all your belongings after a major incident would be an overwhelming burden. While household insurance protects your own belongings, liability insurance, known as Haftpflicht, serves a different yet equally critical purpose. This type of insurance is crucial for covering damages you might accidentally cause to others or their property. It's about protecting you from the financial consequences of unintentional harm or destruction. Haftpflicht covers situations where you are legally liable for causing damage. This could be damage to your landlord's property, or even damage to a neighbor's property. It also extends to personal injury you might accidentally cause to another person. This broad coverage makes it an indispensable part of your insurance portfolio as an expat in Austria. Consider a common scenario. You accidentally drop something heavy and crack a tile in your rented apartment. Or perhaps you're moving furniture and scratch the wooden floor. These are instances where you, as the tenant, are responsible for the damage to the landlord's property. Your Haftpflicht policy would step in to cover the repair or replacement costs, preventing you from facing a hefty bill directly. Another specific example could be accidentally breaking a window or a fixture that belongs to the landlord. Without liability insurance, you would be personally responsible for the full cost of repair or replacement. This can quickly add up, especially for larger items or structural components of the apartment. Haftpflicht ensures these unexpected expenses are managed. The scope of Haftpflicht often extends beyond just your rented apartment. If you accidentally spill coffee on a friend's new laptop, or your bicycle causes damage to a parked car, your personal liability insurance would typically cover these incidents. It protects you from claims made against you for damages you unintentionally inflict in your daily life. This insurance is not just about protecting your wallet, it's about protecting your future. A significant liability claim could lead to substantial financial strain, potentially impacting your savings or even your ability to secure future housing. Haftpflicht provides a vital layer of protection, ensuring that an accidental misstep doesn't turn into a long-term financial burden. It covers the costs, protecting you from potentially ruinous bills and legal disputes. Understanding the types of insurance is just the first step. Knowing the practical implications is equally important for expats in Austria. Renter's insurance is not merely a suggestion here. It's often a fundamental requirement that impacts your ability to secure a rental property. Many landlords in Austria will explicitly require proof of coverage before they hand over the keys. It is common practice for landlords to ask for confirmation that you have both household and liability insurance in place. This requirement is often stipulated directly within the lease agreement itself. Failing to provide this proof could mean that your rental application is rejected or that you cannot finalize your lease. Therefore, arranging your insurance is a critical step in the lease process. Ideally, you should have your renter's insurance sorted out before you even sign the lease agreement. This ensures a smooth transition into your new home and demonstrates to your landlord that you are a responsible tenant. Having your policy details ready can expedite the rental process and prevent any last-minute complications. When considering the cost of renter's insurance, it's important to view it as a small investment rather than an expense. The premiums for Haushaltsversicherung and Haftpflicht are relatively low, especially when compared to the potential financial losses they protect you from. For a typical apartment, you might find comprehensive coverage for just a few euros a month. This modest monthly outlay offers immense financial protection against potentially high financial losses. Imagine having to replace all your belongings after a fire, or paying for extensive repairs to your landlord's property out of pocket. These costs could easily run into thousands or even tens of thousands of euros. The small cost of insurance pales in comparison to such a burden. Investing in renter's insurance is a smart financial decision that provides invaluable security. It safeguards your assets, protects your deposit, and shields you from unforeseen liabilities. For an expat navigating a new country and a new rental market, this peace of mind is truly priceless. As an expat in Austria, navigating the rental market comes with its unique set of challenges and responsibilities. Understanding and securing renter's insurance is not just a recommendation, it's a fundamental step towards protecting your home, your finances, and your peace of mind. This essential coverage ensures that you are prepared for the unexpected, allowing you to focus on building your new life in Austria. We've explored the two pillars of renter's insurance: household insurance, or Haushaltsversicherung, which safeguards your personal belongings from perils like theft, fire, and water damage, and liability insurance, or Haftpflicht, which protects you from the financial burden of accidentally causing damage to others or their property. Both are indispensable for any responsible renter. Remember, many landlords in Austria require proof of these policies before you can even sign your lease. The relatively low cost of these insurance plans is a small price to pay for the significant financial protection they offer against potentially devastating losses. It's an investment in your security and stability. Don't leave yourself vulnerable to unforeseen circumstances. Take the proactive step to secure your renter's insurance as soon as you begin your apartment search. It's a crucial part of settling into your new life here. If you found this guide helpful, please share it with other expats who might benefit from this vital information. Understanding renter's insurance is a key step to a secure and stress-free life in Austria.